from roses, from carpet stains and fabuloso. I am from the only tall house from the block. Tall, quiet, it felt like I was in the clouds. I am from the short but bold chili plant. The small but beautiful roses, showing that small can be good. I am from tamales on Christmas and my family's dark brown eyes. From Irlanda and Juan, who care about my future. I am from a talkative family and handmade food, and Swami bought clothes. I am from Vas a ver and Cállate and never give up. God shall help us. I am from family, carne asadas. I am from Los Angeles, California, and Nayarit, Mexico. Tostadas and ceviche, which let me spend time with my mom. From immigration, which almost left us in poverty. In my living room, there is a vase full of flowers, full of our family's love and determination to never give up and to believe in hope. To continue to prosper and believe and to continue to live on. From gangsters yelling and fighting, from ice cream trucks at 5 o'clock to car accidents. I am from playful kids, from a place where fresh food is made, disgusting but loving like perfume and trash. Love and loyalty can only help now.